Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to start our first poem, that is Walk a Little Slow. Okay, page number 3, Walk a Little Slower. Here, poet of this poem is unknown, author is unknown. In this poem, the child requests his father to walk slower. Here the poet implies that the child wants to understand his father's actions better. Child want to understand his father's action better. Walk a little slower. From this title, we can understand that child is requesting his father to walk a little slower. Means here is a metaphor. Walk a little slower means actually that child want to say that daddy or father, whatever you are doing, that I want to understand that things. So don't increase your speed and walk a little slow. Whatever you are doing, do that little slower, because I want to understand your actions and I want to learn from your teachings. Okay? This is the message of this poem. Here are implied meaning in that lines. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. Listen poem. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. Someday, when I am all grown up, you're what I want to be, then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to lay just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. Author unknown. There are only 4 stanzas, very short but sweet poem. Here in this poem, the child want to say his father, child is requesting his father to walk a little slower. Here is implied meaning in this poem. Means walking means actually not walking, means whatever the father's actions, means child want to learn from his father's teaching. Whatever the skills and qualities father have, that child want to adopt. But whatever the actions of his father, that is little fast. Then that child is requesting his father that walk a little slower, daddy, means whatever you are doing, that do in a slow speed, because I want to understand you, I want to learn from your teachings and I want to take experience from you. We always say, हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि कोई हमारे एंसेस्टर्स जैसा दिखता है, पूर्वजों के जैसा दिखता है, या उसके जैसे उसमें क्वालिटीज है. मतलब हम जैसे कहते हैं कि जैसा बाप वैसा बेटा, यूजुअली कहते हैं हमारी लाइफ में. मतलब जो गुण अपने माता पिता में और जो हमारे पूर्वजों में होते हैं, वही बच्चों में आते हैं. और ये जो चाइल्ड है वो अपने पिता से बहुत कुछ सीखना चाहता है, लेकिन वो सीखते समय वो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है कि फादर वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर, मतलब आप जो कुछ चल रहे हो या जो कुछ कर रहे हो वो थोड़ा सा धीरे से करो, क्योंकि मैं वो सब कुछ समझना चाहता हूँ, सीखना चाहता हूँ, जो कि मेरे लाइफ में मुझे काम आने वाला है. लेट्स सी फर्स्ट स्टैंजा. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. The child is so small that say, walk a little slower, daddy. Means whatever you are doing, that do little slow. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. I am following in your footsteps. Means whatever you are doing, that I am totally following you. I am learning from you. Okay? So I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to follow. Here, what would happen if the child tried to walk fast and why? Margin question is there. What will happen if child try to walk fast? If child try to walk fast, the child will fall because he is a little child and he is so small. Okay, this is the answer of first margin question. Now let's see second stanza. Sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. Sometimes your steps are very fast, means here some actions, or sometimes you behave very fastly, or you did your work very fastly, and I can't understand you. Sometimes they are hard to see. Whatever you are doing, that is, sometimes it is hard to see or it is hard to understand. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me, because you are my leader. I am watching you, I am learning from you, and I don't want to fail in the life. Okay, so whatever you are doing, whatever you are working, that actions, I want to follow you, I want to learn from you. So walk little slower or do that action little slower, daddy, because you are my leader, you are my role model and beacon of the light, we can say. You are the beacon of, you are my beacon of the light, means you are my role model. Each and every minute, each and every time, I am watching you, I am learning from you, and whatever you are doing in your life, that will I learn for my life also. That experiences I will take for my life also. But do that little slow. Then someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Someday I will be grown up, I will be a person, grown up person, and you are what I want to be. और मैं जो चाहे वो बनूंगा मेरे लाइफ में, और आप भी मैं जैसा चाहूँगा वैसे आप मेरे लाइफ में होंगे. यू आर वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू बी. देन आई विल हैव अ लिटिल चाइल्ड, और तब फिर मुझे भी और मेरा भी बच्चा होगा, हु विल वॉन्ट टू फॉलो मी, जो मेरा बेटा होगा वो भी मुझे फॉलो करना चाहेगा. जिस तरह मैं आपको फॉलो कर रहा, आप मेरे लीडर हो, मेरे आइडल हो, उसी तरह मेरा बच्चा भी मेरी तरफ एक बेकॉन लाइट की तरफ, एक आइडल की तरह देखेगा. एंड दैट टाइम आई वांट टू बी अ आइडल फादर, आई वांट टू बी अ गुड फादर, एंड आई वांट टू गिव गुड टीचिंग्स एंड एक्सपीरियंस टू माय चाइल्ड. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. And I would want to lead just right in my life to my child. I want to lead just right. I want to teach just right things to my child and know that I was true. And I know that I was true. मैं सही था. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. So daddy, please walk a little slow. Here that child is requesting, walk a little slow. Whatever the action you are doing and whatever you are behaving in your day-to-day life, that are the teachings for me. I am learning from your actions, from your teachings, and I will give these teachings or these experiences to my next generation or to our next generation. So I don't want to be failed in this, and I want to be a good father, a good daddy in my life. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. Author is unknown. Okay, I hope you understood this poem. English workshop that we will discuss in Google Meet lecture. Okay, thank you.